Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gillian and I am vegan and also following Slimming World. So if you want to see what I eat in a day today, then keep on watching. So today is a chilled day. I'm off today, it's Wednesday, and I've not got anything planned apart from I'm going to walk with my mum's dog and I'm taking my mum to Hobbycraft later on. So nice chilled day in the house until about dinner time. So I'll show you what I eat today. I'm just about to make my breakfast. I'm trying to incorporate more smoothies into my diet for breakfasts because I know it's not always Slimming World friendly to have smoothies because you need to sin the fruit, but I'll explain it when I show you what fruit I'm putting in. But I'm going on a journey of self-injecting B12 because I've got pernicious anemia, and long story short, the doctors wouldn't give me it because of the coronavirus, so I've had to go down the self-injection route. But during all my research and everything, the body uses up more potassium when you inject yourself more with B12. It uses up potassium to absorb the B12, so I'm trying to get more potassium in my diet. I am taking other supplements that I will show you throughout this video, but potassium can be quite dangerous to take as a supplement, so you just try and get it more through your food. So in order to do that, I am having smoothies in the mornings, and this is only my second one that I've had, and I got more fruit at Asda last night, some frozen fruit. So I'll just jump in and show you what I've got. So here's my little concoction of ingredients. I bought spinach yesterday. I'm going to freeze this. I don't like frozen spinach that's like already in a bag because I find it quite watery, so I'm going to try freezing fresh spinach and see how I get on. I got pineapple chunks and mango chunks that are frozen. These are both high in potassium as well as spinach, and then coconut water is actually really high in potassium, and I don't usually like coconut water, so I'm going to just try it again in a smoothie and see how I get on. I'm just going to use a little bit. This was £3 something for the whole 1 litre carton, so it's pretty expensive. And then to kind of mix it up a bit, I'm using my Alpro soy milk. That's a Health Extra A. I'm going to sin the coconut water, but I'm not going to sin the fruit. I've also got a banana here that I forgot to freeze, so I'm just going to use a fresh one. I might only just use half and give the rest to the rabbits. And then lastly, I'm going to add in a bit of protein powder because why not? And I will sin that as well. So I'll let you know the sin value on the screen because I've not really worked it out yet. But I'm not going to be using a whole ton of fruit that I wouldn't be able to eat as like a whole fruit on their own, if you get what I mean. So I feel like that's why Slimming World want you to sin the fruit, because you can end up overeating fruit when it's smooth, blended up. But I'm going to be sensible about it, and I think I would eat the quantities that I'm going to put in the smoothie. So that's why I'm not going to sin it. But you do you. Don't take my word for it. If you notice a weight gain if you don't sin your smoothies, then I would recommend sinning it. But I've managed to lose £1 this week and I've been doing the smoothies, so I don't think it's going to affect my weight loss, but as I have more each morning, I'll obviously find out next week. Here is my smoothie. I think it looks really nice, like the colour's just pretty. Hopefully it tastes good as well. I'm just going to have a little sip. That's actually really nice. I can taste the banana in it, so I think the next time I'm going to make sure I freeze my bananas, but it's because I had ran out and only bought a new bunch yesterday. I really think it's nice. I thought I might be able to taste more pineapple and mango, but I'll need to add a little bit more the next time. It's just about experimenting. I don't know if I can really taste the coconut. No, it doesn't overly taste coconutty, but it's nice. So I'm going to enjoy this, and I meant to say as well, my appetite because of my B12 hasn't been great, so this is a good way to get in my calories, so I'm not starving myself when I'm not feeling hungry, but I'm still getting some food in. I don't know, I'm not explaining myself very well. Basically, the smoothie will fill me up and doesn't feel heavy on my stomach when I don't actually feel hungry. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. I'm actually just watching Super Size versus Super Skinny. It's the old episodes on YouTube. So I'm going to watch that while I drink my smoothie, and I'll catch up with you guys at lunchtime. So it's early afternoon and I'm ready for my lunch. I'm not that hungry, but I've got some leftover passata here that's garlic and onion because I've got another tub in my cupboard. So I'm boiling 70 grams of pasta, just normal penny pasta from this kind of jar, and then I've cut up a few mushrooms, half an onion, and I'm going to add in some sweet corn as well, and I'll show you it all mixed together and when it's ready to eat. All that pasta will be free, and so far I am on 7.5 cents, so not too bad, and then I will catch up with you at dinner time. I meant to also mention, I'll show you the supplements that I will take after lunch. So I take, well, I've already taken my thyroid medication, folic acid, my iron spray, I think that's everything. And then at lunchtime I take, oh, and I've had my B12 injection this morning, and then I take plant-based vitamin K2 and D3, which is from this brand Sports Research, and I also take some magnesium powder. This is magnesium malate. You get two types of magnesium. I've not tried the other one, but I get on with this one quite well, so I just have a scoop of this in water. But you need to take those supplements after you eat or it can make you feel a bit sick. So I've got them ready for after my pasta. I think I might also add spinach into my pasta just because I see it sitting there and it'll add some speed into it. So I'm just going to throw it all together and I'll show you in a sec. And here is my sin-free pasta. It looks really good, bigger portion than I thought, the 70 grams of pasta, so that'll fill me up nicely. And I'm going to just put a little bit of chilli and garlic salt on the top. Again, total sins for the day, 7.5, and my lunch is completely free. Apologies for being out of breath, but I'm just trying to power walk to meet my dad with Poppy because I think they've already left. But that pasta was really good. I've had my supplements and I'm ready to go on this walk, and then I'll be going to Hobbycraft with my mum and then get dinner. It's good because I've not been able to get out as much, not been feeling like going on walks, so it'll be good to go and get some exercise. So I'll go just now because it's annoying when I'm so breathless. Can see my dad up ahead, so Poppy, there she is. Here she's coming. Hello, gorgeous. Hello. Hello, gorgeous girl. Hello. You coming? You're back there. What? Hi everyone, I am back from my walk. I can't really see properly because the sun's bright, so I will be squinting, but I'm just sitting here on my brand new decking that Ryan built, and I'm just chilling on the seat, taking a little breath and having a can of Diet Coke. That walk was so hard. We were up a few hills and walking fast, so yeah, I need a little sit down and then I will let you guys know what I'm having for dinner. I've not quite decided yet, so yeah, see you in a bit. Hi everyone, sorry for my appearance, it's really late and I keep realising I'm forgetting to end my vlogs. Apologies for that again. I will try and remember the next time to update and end the vlog after my dinner. But I had the cowboy hot pot that I had in my previous video. I just had that again. I had lots left over. So that is 2 sins for the sausages, and then everything else in that dinner is free. Lots of speed food as well. So ending that day on 9.5 sins. That's everything I had to eat that day. Thank you so much for watching. I've been really enjoying reading the comments saying you guys are enjoying these styles of videos, so I will definitely keep them coming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.